In short, plinths and rosettes are known as mouldings that are used alongside skirting and architrave, and are usually made of either MDF or wood as a transitioning element between your doorway and the walls surrounding your room. Many may have seen such mouldings in the past, especially within period properties, but not many know what they are called or whether they serve a purpose at all. Plinth blocks. Plinths are typically found at the bottom corner of a door, usually both sides, beside the skirting board and below the architrave. Designs and sizes will vary on plinth blocks depending on the look you're trying to achieve, ranging from a plain square to a more elaborate design. Rosette blocks. Rosettes are found at the top of the architrave on top of the two side lengths. Rosettes will vary in designs and sizes with a wide range of possible designs available for the look you are trying to achieve. The history of plinth blocks and rosettes. Originally, plinth blocks were used as load-bearing support for columns that were usually made of a heavy material, such as stone. As time and technology advancements have moved on, the need for a plinth block as a supporting component is no longer needed and is primarily used as a decorative feature item amongst other practical uses. In regards to the rosettes, you'll find that this dates back to hundreds of years ago to periods within ancient Egypt, Mediterranean times, and even within the Roman Empire, and as far as Central Asia, adopted within the Buddhist culture. The purpose of plinth blocks and rosettes. Both items have stood the test of time, with many of the practical uses no longer needed as time has gone on. The main practical use is the same for both. The plinth and rosette blocks make it much easier to fit the architrave and the skirting boards. The reason why this is the case is because it removes the need to either mitre or scribe the architrave and skirting board. This will speed up the fitting time for both the architrave and the skirting board without compromising on the finish. And that concludes our video. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful, and until next time, we will see you in our next video.